In this video I'm going to show you how to save in GTA 5. So saving is not hard, so the first option you can do is just press the up arrow and you will have your phone here. So let me just leave this. So you'll have this screen normally, and to save just go to quick save, hit enter, and here you can basically save. So there's another option, and that is to go to bed here. You will have the E. As you can see, it's showing E. So if you press E, this will basically allow you to go to the save settings and be able to save your settings here. So there's also one last option, and that is to autosave, and that's basically by clicking escape and then go to game, and here you will see load game, or actually is it settings? So here if you go to settings and go to saving and startup, you will be able to see autosave, and you need to turn this on like this, and this will basically autosave. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.